If you're looking for information on the LiveChatAI Lifetime Deal and review, you've come to the right place. The LiveChatAI Lifetime Deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this video, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the Lifetime Deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about the LiveChatAI Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. AI bot and human support live chat simplified. Increase customer satisfaction and decrease support volumes within minutes using the AI bot powered by GPT-4. This AI bot is trained using your own documents and content. How LiveChatAI works. LiveChatAI is an advanced virtual assistant that utilizes OpenAI technology to provide solutions for complex problems. It offers more secure and accurate responses than other AI bots currently on the market. Train AI and create your GPT-powered live chat in minutes. Boost customer support with LiveChatAI. Easily train AI with custom content and launch a GPT-powered live chat in minutes for improved customer interactions. No AI knowledge required. Instantly localized in 95 languages. Transform your content into intelligent customer engagement. LiveChatAI learns from your brand's content for personalized customer interactions. It provides accurate and relevant responses, custom Q&A, PDF and text content, and integrates with your website and help center. Human when you need it. LiveChatAI triages complex problems and passes them to human support teams for the best customer experience. Users can choose when human support is needed. LiveChatAI is an AI chatbot that provides personalized customer support with the help of live agents. It eliminates wait times and reduces ticket volume by offering 24/7 support. The AI chatbot can be customized to prepare for specific prompts and personalized responses. It can switch between GPT 3.5 Turbo and GPT-4 to provide accurate support. The chatbot can be scheduled to be online all the time or just when the human support team is offline. Rules can be set up for chatbot to human handoff, letting a live agent step in to provide more clarity and support to users. LiveChatAI can connect with users on multiple messaging platforms, including Intercom, Slack, and WhatsApp. The chatbot can crawl a website via URL or sitemap to learn everything about the business. It can be integrated on a website as a page embed or a floating chat widget. LiveChatAI can answer queries in 95 languages and improve customer support over time. With LiveChatAI, businesses can provide smarter customer support and get lifetime access to it. Alert! Most deals are out of stock within a week of coming to Appsumo, so take it now if you need it. Why are you let? Get lifetime access to LiveChatAI today. One-time purchase of $59 only. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you.